Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix can't change email address on Spotify. Can't change your email address on Spotify? This issue usually happens if you registered on Spotify using your Facebook account, so it is now linked to your Facebook email. You won't be able to change your email directly, however, you will still be able to do it by contacting Spotify support, and I will show you how you can do it. Just follow these steps. Open up Spotify app on your smartphone and log into your Spotify profile if you haven't already. Now tap on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on support. Make sure that you are logged into your Spotify account. Now click on account and payment option. Select account help. Here proceed by clicking on Contact Us at the bottom. Find the chat and email section and tap on Go to the contact form. Click on Account. Just tap on I want to change my account details. Scroll down and select I still need help. Now enter your name. And in the next field, explain that you would like to change your email address. Now click on Start Chat. Ask support representative to change your email address, and he will do that for you in a matter of seconds. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to fix can't change email address on Spotify. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.